Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily change the colors of any media on CapCut PC. So for stock videos, actually it's the same for every one of them, except if you want to do like an outline stickers, that's for another video. But for instance, you want to change the color of a stock video, you can absolutely do that. It's just not going to be super perfect. Let's see which one I want to change. The end one I want to change. So I'm just going to go up and I'm going to find the color that I like. Maybe like this pink one. And like, okay, this is not going to show up because it's red. But you need to go to filters first and you need to add in the black and white filter, or you can just go to adjustments here, select your video, go to adjustments and turn down the saturation until it's a black and white video. Then you're going to apply this on top, go to blend mode and then select whichever one looks the best. Like the overlay one looks the best to me. You can also use the screen one, but you have to like crop this a little bit because where is it? I want to mask it. I want to crop it a little bit because it's in the way. Oh wait, I selected the wrong layer. Sorry about that. Okay, I don't know why it's not like, oh, this is why. I want to mask it because there's like a black trim showing, so I do have to mask that. But as you can see, it works perfectly and the color just changed. You can change it to any color you want once you've done this, so you can just replace it so you can easily replace the colors without having to do the same setting again. As you can see, this one's like the blue one, this one's a purple one, etc, etc. But yeah, that is it. Super simple in my opinion. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!